I am so excited to share with you Maddi's fridge. And here we go. I'm gonna share my screen so you can see it up close. There it is, Maddi's fridge, written by Lois Brandt. Here we go.
Teddy, no.
I don't really want to hold it.
Well,
Here we go. Maddi's fridge.
Just hold it on the edge.
When Sophia and Maddi played in the park, they stretched their toes to the sky. Can you guys stretch your toes?
No.
Climbed to the top of the ladder and flew off the end of the slide. Stayed until the buildings grew long shadows and even the taxis stopped honking. Do you think they live in the city? Is that why there are taxis? I think they could live in a city. That's what I'm thinking. Let's play on the climbing wall, Maddi said. No way, Sophia said. I can't reach. Yes way, Maddi scooted up to the top of the wall. Your turn. Sophia put a foot on the bottom rock. She grabbed with one hand and she stretched. Can you guys stretch? Stretch, 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 stretch. But she couldn't reach the next hold. Sophia's stomach growled. I give up. Let's get a snack. No way, Maddi said. Let's stay here. Yes way. Sophia ran to Maddi's building and raced up the stairs. Wait, Maddi raced after her. Maddi was the best climber, but Sophia was the fastest runner. Why do you think Maddi wants Sophia to wait?
Because she's super fast.
You think she's super, Maddi wants to keep up? I think that's a really good theory. What else? Why do you think Maddi wants Sophia to wait? I don't know. Let's find out. Sophia swung open the door of Maddi's fridge. What have you got? We have milk, Maddi said. I'm saving it for Ryan. He's still little. You guys, what's in Maddi's fridge? What do you see in Maddi's fridge?
Milk.
Milk. What else do you see in Maddi's fridge?
Nothing else.
Nothing else. Does your fridge look like this?
No. No.
Very lucky. Shira, what are you thinking? I see your hand, but you're muted, babe. Wait, I can unmute you. Hold on.
I'm saying anything.
I know there's two Shiras. All right, Shira Schwartz. Wait, I still didn't unmute.
Stop.
Hold on. Can I do it? I don't know if I can do it. All right, Shira Schwartz, when your grown-up comes back, you can answer the question.
Oh, I like that.
Okay, Yaakov, what do you think? What is in that fridge?
What's in the fridge, honey?
Milk.
Just milk. Why doesn't your mom go to the store? Sophia asked. We don't have enough money. But what if you get hungry? We have some bread, Maddi said. Did you guys know that? There's some families that don't have enough money to fill up their fridge with lots of different food. That happens. I guess I'll go home to eat. Sophia said. Please don't tell anyone, Maddi said. Why doesn't Maddi want Sophia to tell anyone that she has no food in her fridge? What do you think?
Is she embarrassed? Is she scared? What do you think?
See, Daddy?
You think she might feel a little embarrassed? Or a little sad?
Already said.
Okay, said Sophia.
Honey.
Yes, said Maddi. I promise. Sophia ran home past the bookstore and the grocery store. The sun went down behind the buildings and took all the colors with it. Good timing, Mom said. Dinner's almost ready. Lois was wrestling on the floor with Pepito. Who's Pepito?
Dog.
The dog. Sophia opened the refrigerator door. Pepito peeked inside. Sophia's fridge was full of milk and eggs and tortillas and cheese and lettuce and jam and salsa and tofu and even half a can of dog food. Wow, that's a lot of food. Do you guys see anything else in her fridge? What else do you see in her fridge?
Eggs.
I see a whole thing of eggs right there. What do you think this is?
Pineapple?
Oh, I see syrup.
There's some syrup. What
And
else?
broccoli.
Broccoli.
Cheese. Pineapple. Cheese. Pineapple.
Oh, that's right. Yeah,
Blueberries.
right. There's blueberries, pineapple, and lots of food, right? There's even more food over here. Oh my gosh. Here you go, Mom said. Sophia and Louis each had a plate of fish and rice. Mom had a plate of fish and rice. Even Pepito had his bowl of dog food with a little bit of fish and rice. Maddi and Ryan only had some bread and a small carton of milk. Sophia couldn't tell Mom she had to keep her promise to Maddi. Not fish again, Louis said. I want cheesy pizza bombs. Cheesy pizza bombs are a treat, Mom said. Fish is a good source of protein. Is fish good for kids? Sophia said. Yes, Mom. Fish is perfect for kids. That night, Sophia had an idea. Can you see what she's doing with that fish in the bag? What do you think she's gonna do?
Give it to Maddi.
You think she's gonna do that? Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
Is that a kind idea?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. Oh, yuck! Maddi said the next day. Oh, Sophia said, double yuck. Be good for kids, but fish is not good for backpacks. After school, Sophia and Maddi raced to the climbing wall. Sophia got there first. Maddi scrambled past her to the top of the wall. Sophia stretched. You guys got to stretch and stretch and stretched. Keep trying, Maddi said. You'll get it. I can't. Sophia jumped down. It's too high. That night, Sophia and Louis and Mama ate frittata. Pepito had his dog food with a little bit of frittata. Maddi and Ryan still had an empty refrigerator. Sophia couldn't help. That would break her promise. Try again. Are eggs good for kids? Sophia said. Not as good as cheesy pizza bombs, said Louis. Cheesy pizza bombs are a treat, Mom said. Eggs are good for you. After dinner, Sophia packed eggs for Maddi and Ryan. Do you think that's going to taste good in the backpack? What do you guys think? That's a good idea?
No.
Let's find out. Yuck, Maddi said. Double yuck, Sophia said. Eggs may be good for kids, but eggs are not good for back. Sophia and Maddi raced to the climbing wall. Who do you think won? Won to the top. Sophia won again, but racing to the wall, but Maddi shot past her to the top of the wall. Sophia grabbed one hold and reached. You guys gotta reach for the next, and came down with a thump. That happens sometimes, Maddie called. This is impossible, Sophia said. Keep trying, Maddie said. You'll get it. That night, Sophia and Lois and Mom had burritos.
After that.
Dog food with a little bit of burrito, but no salsa. Maddie and Ryan still had an empty fridge. Sophia wished she hadn't promised Maddie. Are burritos good for kids? Sophia asked. Burritos are very good for you, Mom said. Not as good as, Lois started to say. What was he going to say? Was he going to say cheesy pizza bombs?
Yes.
I think he was. You should pay attention to nutrition like your sister, Mom said. The next morning, Sophia put 2 burritos in her backpack, along with tortillas and beans and cheese and even some milk. No thanks, Maddie said. You haven't even looked, Sophia said. Is it fish? Maddie asked. No. Is it eggs? No. Is it gross? I don't know, Sophia said. Do you think it's going to be gross or do you think it's going to be yummy?
Yummy!
You think it's going to be yummy? Let's see. Maddie shook the backpack. Something sloshed. Let's look together, Maddie said. 1, 2, 3, go! Ah, burritos are good for kids and good for backpacks too. Do you want some milk? Sophia asked. Thanks, Maddie said, but I'll save the milk for Ryan. Sophia and Maddie raced to the climbing wall. Sophia won as usual and tried to climb. She gonna make it?
Yes.
You see she is. I wonder how she gets up to the top. Maddie says, you can do it. Take my hand. How is Sophia getting to the top? Who's helping her? Maddie helping her?
Yes.
Yeah, made it to the top, Sophia shouted. We're the tallest kids in the park, Maddie said. Thanks for helping me, Maddie. I couldn't do it alone. Maddie shrugged. That's what friends are for. After they finished playing, Sophia walked home past the bookstore and past the grocery store. She thought and thought and thought. What is she thinking about? What do you think she's thinking about?
Giving her one of those in the fridge.
Oh, that could be an amazing idea. Her own fridge was full of milk and juice and chicken and yogurt and bread and carrots and even half a can of dog food. Maddie's fridge only had 2 tortillas and a cup of beans and a bit of cheese and a little more milk than before. Sophia didn't want to break her promise, but she could not help Maddie alone, Sophia told. She hoped Maddie wouldn't be mad. I'm glad you told me, Mom said. Let's see what we can do together. They loaded grocery bags with milk and flour and chicken and carrots and sugar and oil and even frozen meat and vegetables. Lois pulled out his package of cheesy pizza bombs out of the freezer. Thought some more. What is Lois's dilemma? What's his problem here?
Don't take it.
Do I want to give it away? Do I want to keep it for myself? Do I want to give it away? Do I want to keep it for myself? What do you think he's going to do?
Give it away. Give it away.
You think he's going to give it away? You think he's going to do the mitzvah of feeding a friend? Do you think he's going to do that? Let's see. Then he put his cheesy pizza bombs in Maddie and Ryan's bag. He said. At Maddie's apartment, the moms talked. You know, that's what moms do. Lois and Ryan played. Sophia and Maddie ran to the park. You broke your promise, Maddi said. I'm sorry, Sophia said. Are you mad? A promise is important, Maddi said. But you're more important, Sophia said. I wanted you to have milk too. Maddi smiled. Are we still friends? Sophia asked. Always, Maddi said. Double always, Sophia said. Cheesy pizza bombs! Lois yelled. Our moms made cheesy pizza bombs for a treat. Had a good idea for him to put cheesy pizza bombs in the bag. That was a good idea. It made everybody happy. Sophia and Maddi raced up the stairs. Sophia slowed down so they could run together. That's what friends are for. That is the story of Maddi's Fridge as brought to us by PJ Library.